thank the Minister of Gender Equality and Family of Republic of Korea for the statement just made. I now invite members to view the pre-recorded statement of the Minister of Population, Social Protection and Promotion of Women of Madagascar.
Monsieur le Président.
Mr. President of the 75th General Assembly, Mr. Secretary General, distinguished delegates, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. Today I have the honour to represent the government of Madagascar to speak to you about the efforts that Madagascar has made to accelerate the achievement of gender equality and the empowerment of all women and girls. Over the last 5 years, the department that I lead has been pleased to see the reallocation of public spending towards programs which aim to achieve the empowerment of women and girls. In 2016, we adopted the law on nationality, which allows women to pass Malagasy nationality on to their children. Another law grants women the right to decide on the size of their families and gives girls the right to have access to complete reproductive health services. And under the impetus of the First Lady of Madagascar, who is an ambassador for the fight against gender-based violence, in 2019, a law was adopted which now considers sexual abuse and marital rape as severely punishable acts. Despite this progress, the coronavirus outbreak dealt a blow to the momentum that we had built up and could erode what has been achieved. The hotline 813 has recorded more than 1,900 calls from victims of gender-based violence who have received psychosocial support, advice and/or a referral to care. But I remain confident when it comes to the will of the state of Madagascar to put women and girls at the heart of our economic recovery plan. And this is thanks to the strengthening of cooperation with technical and financial partners. The process that has been launched to update the National Gender Equality Policy takes this into account. The same goes for the process that is currently underway to adopt a proposed framework law for gender equality. Under the leadership of His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Madagascar, Andry Rajoelina, the entire government and the Ministry for the Advancement of Women reiterate our will to make every effort to accelerate the achievement of gender equality and the empowerment of all women and girls. Thank you.
I thank the Minister of Population, Social Protection and Promotion of Women of Madagascar for the statement just made. Before giving the floor to the Minister of Foreign Affairs and European Affairs of Malta,